Hi everyone, my name is Sidney F.C.R. Welcome to another review video. In today's video we're going to take a closer look on this Borussia Dortmund special jersey of 2022-2023. It's the PUMA player version, customized with Reus number 11 on the back. I bought this brand from 2022fans.com. Check the link in the description below. Before we check it out, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Way more some videos on the way. So now, let's check this one out.
So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling, bitch I'm humbling, keep mumbling, I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing, you've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what work is. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll leave the knife right in my back. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling, bitch I'm humbling, keep mumbling, I'll keep doubling, you keep...
So that's this special Dortmund jersey of 2022-2023. Let me know what you guys think. I think this one is pretty clean. That base, the black base, makes a cool combination with those sleeves. It's really nice. The color combination makes it really cool. In the next clip I will show you how this jersey fits me. Once again, make sure to hit that subscribe button below to not miss any review video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.